how do we create a drop down list like this? This is called drop down list. This is based on this list here. You can choose here and so on. So let's just delete all of them. So first you go to data tab and then you go to this button here, data validation. Over here you choose list, source you choose this. Then you click OK. That's how we create a drop-down list. That's how we create a drop-down list. It's simple. Let's do one more time. Go to data tab. Go data validation. Choose list. And then select this icon. Click OK.
No, he is a loving father, standing with open arms, ready to take on what you were never meant to do.
And then here is another drop-down list. And that is how simple we can create this. Then in future we will create a more complex one. Like for example that if a person choose electronic, then it has two options. If a person choose furniture, then their choice would be office chair and desk lamp. So, and also that the quantity here cannot be 100, more than 100. So that you will see that it will not be allowed. We can also create this. So, same goes to order date. We'll talk about this later. Thanks for watching.